How's it, guys? Welcome back to Keep It Simple Cupid, the Qlik channel for tools, tips, and tricks. Today, I'm going to share some tips and tricks. We'll be using a REST API and then the one thing everyone's been talking about, ChatGPT. So let's get into Qlik. Okay, on the Qlik side, we'll need some data. We'll generally try and roll this up due to the token usage. So the more data we send, the more tokens it would use, and that would actually cost more money. So you can go check out some token stuff over there, and then all your usage stuff will be under your account if you go to the usage tab. For now, we've got some call center stats just on an inline load, some call dates, the call center being used, call length in seconds, as well as a satisfaction rate. I think the main thing for ChatGPT was actually the JSON format. So it needs the data in a JSON format. So we're reading that data, and then here we're actually building that out into a JSON format. If you want to read more up about JSON formats, you could just head up to that link over there. Then obviously we'll need a question, right? So for this, we're actually using a inline load. I definitely want to consider doing this with a write-back solution. This would just make it more intuitive and to actually change those questions from the front end itself, send that to the back end, send it to ChatGPT, get that response, and just work with the application as we normally do with the write-back. So for now, our question is just stating that we've got some call center data. The call data is the call duration, for that matter, is represented in seconds. And then what is the best performing call center based on satisfaction? And then tell me something to add to my data to enhance my current analysis or insights that we'll actually get from this. But this is where the magic happens. So the first thing you'll actually need to do is just go and create a new REST connection over there. We'll do a post to that URL. It would be a post. I've included the body there as well, and it will just need two headers. So if we actually scroll down to our query headers, it's just going to need an authorization header as well as a content type, which I'll put over there. And then the biggest thing is that API token. So just head over to platform.openai, go to your account, and then click the generate API key. It's going to give you an API key that you can use within this REST connection over here. There are different models that we can use. You can actually specify your max tokens and temperature. So all of that you can actually go and get up if you go and read up about the introduction on the API docs. But yes, this is where the magic happens. So this will actually send our question with our data and we'll get a response. So let's do a reload. Reloads roughly about 10 seconds, and then this will send the data with our question and we'll get a response. So let's look at this. So first thing I'm noticing here is we've used 374 tokens. So our question was call center data, call duration represented in seconds. What is the best performing call center based on satisfaction? And then tell me something to add to my data to enhance the current analysis. And the response was based on the data provided. The best performing call center was inland with an average satisfaction ratio of 9. To enhance the current analysis, we'd add some data points such as type of call, like inbound and outbound, customer age, and customer gender. This is actually our whole send request, including the data. And then if we scroll down, this is our JSON format so that we can just have a look at that. So getting back into the back end, and this is where I'm saying that write-back solution would stop you going from the back end and actually going to change the question. So I'm just going to add here, what was the quickest? And let's reload that. And there we go. So our data stayed the same. Question just added one, what was our quickest call? So based on the data provided, the best performing call center was inland with a satisfaction rating of 9. And the quickest call was made on the 3rd of Jan with a call duration of 234 seconds. So that's as easy as it gets, right? So if we actually have a front-end write-back solution, where we can just change that question and send that back. As we can see over here, due to the fact that our whole response is actually bigger, we've also used more tokens. And that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. If you enjoyed this, please do subscribe to the channel and remember to hit that bell button. I'll upload the application in the comments. And yeah, check you guys next time.